lonely as I am, together we climb.
What's good, bro?
What's up? What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. What are we doing here? And why is the car and jack on the stand? Let's go outside because it's kind of loud. I'll probably go to the dyno because David's not here. Alrighty, guys. Well, we're here at Patterson's Performance again, as per usual. We're sponsored by them. So they usually hook it up, you know, with parts. They hook it up with the labor, and it's just a great experience here with them. So we're here with David. David just got here. He was at the dyno. So what are we doing here? What is it that we're doing at Patterson's Performance once again? The Corvette is on the jack, and it's getting cams, and it's getting a full exhaust from the header's back. And I am so freaking excited, guys, because this thing sounded good. It did. It really did. It sounded really, really nice. Very, very calm. But when you pushed it, you know, it opened up and it sounded great. But now, oh, it's gonna sound even better. So I'll link everything down in the description below so you guys can check it out. We got some BTR Stage 3 cams. We got full exhaust, again, from the header's back from Speed Engineering. That was all hooked up by David. So if you're interested, I'll link everything down below so you guys can check it out. Maybe get it for your Corvette. But we're going to go inside and talk to David because there is some problems with the car that were underneath the car, and we could not see it in the outside when we were checking it out. And that's fine because we got it at a very good price. So we're gonna go and talk to David, see what it really needs, and we'll go from there. But again, I'm so excited to show you guys the before and after of how this car is gonna sound. Oh, I'm so freaking excited. So let's go inside and talk to David, see what's going on.
When this stuff gets golden like that, watch, you see this here, how that doesn't smear off? This thing has been leaking because the oil is gonna boil, you know what I mean? Right. And then here you see it's nothing there. This thing's been actually leaking, but the oil pan sits on this one here, and this is the one that was full of oil, and even, yeah, it's already crusting up right there, all that shit. So this thing was leaking. So this connects to the oil pan gasket. So this whole piece from here to like here is gonna come off. The whole thing's gonna have to be picked up and taken out. The bad thing is that with the rear leaking, hopefully the rear's not too bad, but the biggest problem, and then the oil is all, look, you can see the oil's all in there. And usually if this is leaking, like, you know, you'd get some shit around somewhere or whatever, but once it gets real bad like this, usually that kind of tells you that this shit was sloshing around. Like when it hits the clutch and it's fucking flapping around everywhere, and then all the shit in here. Like a crusty rock. Oh, look at it. It's like a I think that's, yeah, that, look at that right there. That's clutch. That little feather type, that's that intertwined from the clutch disc.
As you saw, guys, we're messed up more than what we thought it was gonna be. Where we had the car before, it's just bad. So first off, the whole oil pan is fucked. Cylinder is leaking, has been leaking for a while. Just look at all that nasty gunk all over. It's been leaking. End link has been broken for a while. The tensioner for the chain up there, that piece right there, broke off. So that has been bleeding for a while. Hence that cover has been gold instead of silver. We're gonna be replacing clutch, buying end links, and probably the whole motor's gonna have to come out. So, beauty. Good thing is that we have the exhaust in, cams, whole exhaust, beautiful tips. So, here you guys go. Beautiful.